Hello, Andre. It's Kara. I'm back with the Sprint 6 build. So in this one, I basically was overhauling a bunch of the systems that I had in place. So I overhauled my score system. I made that a singleton. I changed I changed a bunch of the constructors for the mushroom centipede. It's easier. It doesn't take in a score pointer anymore. It just uses the basic singleton. I added in the wave manager. So in here, I made that a singleton. Currently, I have values. I'm getting the read-in for a texture working, but I just have this in here as a placeholder. So just to make sure that the wave manager is actually working, which it is, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I have all my values. The copy constructor, preventing all this stuff, the instance, my values, my static accessors. I have that working. If you want to look at the score, that's a singleton as well. For now, I have this. I also have the HUD somewhat working. It's super small on the screen, and I'll ask you about that, how to make it just a little bit bigger so I can actually see the score. But the score, where is it? Here's the score. With the HUD, I took in obviously your flyweight demo stuff, and I implemented it in here. So it'll print out in the 0, coordinate of the screen, the player score, which will be 0. And then it will update it when you destroy, for when you destroy a mushroom. So I'll build this, and you're going to see a problem, and it's going to be really weird, and I was going to ask you about this in class the other day, but I asked Edgar instead, and I thought I figured it out, but it got worse, so I will definitely be asking you. So it plays, and you can see it's like, it's stopping, and it's because of this thread has exited code. I looked it up on Google. I asked other people from our class, and everybody was like, oh yeah, that's a normal thing, but it's definitely not normal because it's kind of lagging my game a little bit, which I don't like, so I kind of want that gone. But so you can see in the top left corner of the screen, it's super small. Let me try to get this bigger. There we go. So you can see it's a 0. So if I just hit one of these, it'll turn 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, I don't have it working with the centipede just yet, but I assume it will. And also my centipede is working better, but the head has a weird rotation on it. But you could shoot a body, and I have to fix the bodies a little bit, but they work essentially. Yeah, so I have that. I do not have the player profile switch working. That's the last of my problems at the moment. But I mean, I have it somewhat implemented, I guess, with the what is it? The strategy pattern for the player input. So yeah, that's what I have, and I will definitely be talking to you about that thread has exited problem, because it's annoying the shit out of me. Thanks!